To a primetime news follow-up now, a former Maroon colonel has come out strongly against the delay in the Accompong elections originally due next week. Meredith Rowe, who will be contesting the poll, says he's not satisfied with the reasons presented for putting them off.
The election is due to select a colonel to run the Maroon affairs. They normally start to make preparation 3-4 months prior to. And the term of office expired this month. In fact, 5 years ago it was held on the 18th of February 2021. So I cannot buy into that argument any at all, because it would be a gross violation of our custom. We are hearing other arguments, but we are prepared to deal with it firmly if any violation, any wrong turn is made in terms of the method and the processes that we are accustomed to use, and to our tradition. And we don't want to allow any individual to thwart these things.
In a post on social media, the chief of Accompong, Richard Curry, explained that the delay was due to the displacement of residents because of Hurricane Melissa. He did not give a clear timeline for a new election date. According to the Maroon Constitution, no election may be delayed for longer than 3 months beyond the due date.